Hi everyone, myself Samir. I'm currently working as a project engineer at Hyderabad, and recently our team got the requirement by one of our client stating that they have one Excel and they want to build a platform and import all the data from that Excel. So first, I would like to show you this project that is live now. tms.bpr.nic.in/DIPTI. This DIPTI stands for Directory of Indian Police Training Institutions. So the main idea by them is that they want a platform that will display all the training institutions, police training institutions across India, and they want to put all the features that are possible, that is required, that is necessary in this platform. As a initially they have one Excel sheet and which is divided also in two parts, and they have all these institution details in that Excel sheet. That Excel sheet was a very big sheet, and which was having all the institutions in main categories as well as in subcategories. All these things were present there. So as soon as the project came to me, so we first talked with about how we are going to do it and all. And, so first thing we decided is that I just need to first create that Excel sheet, uh, proper Excel sheet that that be a standard Excel sheet that should be filled with all the data, and then I will use that Excel sheet to import those all the institutions, and they will be visible here. So we have done all those steps, and for that I would also like to show you that how uh, that JSON there, and that that annexation B was by actually this was the original JSON that they provided. Excel I converted to JSON, and annexation C has again all these details. Okay, so also this was unsorted, and annexation B has the sequence of institutions that was not followed by annexation C. So we need to work on that as well to combine all the details into one, and then finally came to this JSON. So after this JSON, I needed to create the JSON for the Excel as well. Okay, so at initial level, I created this. There was a change after this also, but now for now that is not important. And at the end, after finalizing this Excel JSON, I started working on this project. So first thing I did was I designed how we are going to do it. First thing was I used the feature strategy here. So every feature will have in React its own folder and its own state, its own handlers, its own JSX components, and its request handlers. All those things will present only for the particular feature. In the same way, for other features also, it will be present. So this strategy helped a lot. And as you can see, this is one feature out of it, which is show institutions. And the first feature was bulk upload restriction that is not present here. I have disabled it because this is public. This is live now, and I cannot put that because we don't have login yet. Okay, so this project was completed within 15 days on an urgent basis, and I didn't compromise the quality. I just designed it very well because I know that this was the base. And uh, after some time, this project will be uh, also having other features also, and this will be the giant project after like 1 year or 2 years. So the base, the foundation should be uh, very good. I have seen that if the foundation is not good, then it impacts a lot on long term, and it becomes very hard to maintain the code to change anything into the code. So for React, I use this, and for this, I learned the 3 GitHub strategy as well. So whatever changes I'm doing in the GitHub as well, I was maintaining as a separate feature. And after the feature is complete, then I was moving to development. After development, was going to release and then final to the production. So in this way I did it, and this is the project I just would like to show you. And for backend also, I did all the optimization possible. Hmm. I learned all those things. I learned from mistakes what is good, what is not. And most important thing I did here was to handle the errors. If there is any error from the backend, which can handle the error or unhandled error, that should be handled by the front end. So front end won't have any continuous loading pages or if there's white screen or anything. It's not like that. Now, in few projects, I was facing that issue. I was just handling the two errors, and I was not focusing too much on the proper error handling, but rectified the issue here. And this is a complete fully fledged project, which is easy to um, maintain and which is easy to add any features, update anything here. So let's see what is this project. So I won't be able to show you that bulk upload feature. That also, but I can tell you that it has first is instructions, then second is select Excel sheet, and the third is to extract Excel to the JSON on the browser itself, and finally to submit that JSON to the backend. So here my idea was always to utilize the browser. Okay, so because if I upload Excel, then the Excel should be extracted at the back and then converted, of course, to the JSON and then to the database. So instead of that, I just directly provide JSON to the backend, and that conversion part happens on the browser itself. So it was about 350 institutions, total 350 institutions they provided, and here let's start about discussing the sub features about these main features of institutions, right? So first is um, okay. First is this institution list, okay, and we can see 10 institutions per page. So we can change that to 5 as well. Hmm? If your screen is too small, you can change to 5. If you want, you can change to 15 as well. Whatever you want, you can change. By default, it is 10. Okay. So based on this value, okay, the number of pages will be generated. So now it is 10, but if I change to 15, you can see 1 out of 24 it is generating. Okay. If I again change to 10, it is 1 out of 36. Right. The next thing also is that here also it will change whatever showing things out of 351 and all. And this will change. It's not about the same value, it's about different value. Now it is showing 15, 15, 15, 15. But if you go to the last page, you can see it is showing 6 here, because the remaining institutions it will show at the end, right? Okay, out of 15. So I think you got the idea about this. This is completely a pagination part. Okay, and the more important part is search feature. So let's say I'm going to search the Telangana state. If I search that, that string is present in the minor minified JSON format. This is the minified JSON. It does not hold all the details. This is just to search the institution name or the address, basic details. Okay. So in basic details, I'm searching Telangana. It is showing one institution with space. And if I remove space, it is showing total 37 institutions that have the Telangana in it. So this is the basic search. Okay. Maybe like the Telangana word can be present in the title as well, or the address, or anywhere. Okay. So if I go to the next model, which is filtering. So here we can see the main filtering option is first this types. So types include CAPF, CPOs, and states. Okay, if I deselect all, then you can see no data found, obviously. And for example, let's go with states first. If I'm showing only states, it will show 237 total institutions that comes under states only. Okay. If I go to advanced search, Then here you can see only the state model is there, which is 34 states. And again, inside that, you can see the subcategory. Like this is all state, this is south state, this is northeast state, this is east, and this is north, central, west. Okay. Now, if you want to search or select specific state, then you can deselect all, and you can just select that particular state. Here, and I have selected Goa. So in Goa, there is only one institution, which is Police Training School, Valpoi, Satari, Goa. Again, if you want to select another, then you can deselect all. Then you can go to Gujarat. So you can see there are total 5 institutions. Okay, so I think you got the idea. Hmm? And the same, for example, this selected Gujarat will be present here. Okay, which comes under the west. So it will be present here as well and here as well. Okay, if you stop selecting, like if you deselect it from here, it will be gone from here. So I have taken care of that, and let's now select all and just close. And even if you do that and you want to reset it, you can just click on this. It will reset automatically. Now let's go with second type, which is CPUs. I'm deselecting states. In CPUs, there are 7 CPUs. So I didn't created any subcategory here. So for example, if I just want to go with CBI, you can see only one CBI Academy is there in entire India, which is at Ghaziabad. Okay. In the same way, for example, uh, to CBI, okay, the same thing. Okay. That is like if I just want to see BSF, total BSF institutions are 22. So this is little bit analytical part as well, and also we are having this filtration with search and everything. Along with this, for example, you have the search and filter is combined with an and condition. So here if you search, you are searching only in the filter options. Here, Kashmir, right? You can see the Kashmir is there, but if you see Telangana, you cannot see any data because already this type is in, but inside that type itself, it is searching all the institutions. So within 22 institutions, there is no Telangana present. That's it. So I think this was all about the um, types option. Okay, deselect all CAPF, CPUs, states. Okay, that's it. That's it. So next part is this single institution details. So whenever you click on the particular institution, so you will see this page where again there is a menu which shows all the main categories. For example, this institution basic details, training capacity, officer strength, and all. Initially, we don't have that much of data that we didn't include all these details into this Excel sheet. So we just had this basic institution details now, which also includes lots of things. That is address, email, fax number, institution name, institution type, name of the state, year of inception, then organization head, contact number, everything. So anyone who just want to contact, you can directly contact from this. And then we have this search institution, which includes the public link for the institution, the social media platforms. You can directly open the share button, the share feature, that particular social media platform directly from here. That's it. So now because of the time constraint, we have decided just to stick with the basic details. As we get this project like for a proper uh, budget and all these things, after that technical things, financial things, and then we will go forward with including all these details. Okay, this was going to be shown at the Ministry of IT, and then it will be approved, and then the next thing will happen. Also, I would like to show you one thing that I created here. Here you can see. Here, this was the initial development where I created this show institutions. This includes the features. You can see here show institutions. So this panel is for features. So now for public this is just a show institution feature present now. Inside the distribution, this is the main panel, which is having the search and the filtration. And then we have this breadcrumb, then we have this pagination, and then we have this list of institutions. So in this, we have designed it. This is the Nava. And the most important thing I have done here is that the whole page does not scroll like a web page. This is a web application, right? So a particular content that is overflowing will scroll. As you can see here, this particular part, which is institutions, it will only scroll, right? Whole component will not scroll. This component will be as it is, and this will also be as it is. Whenever there is a scroll that is overlapping to another component, then it will start scrolling. It will having the vertical scroll. That's it. So this was the major thing I have implemented here after my 2 years of experience in SEDAC. So, so, so it feels good actually when you use the app, you don't have the pain that other applications have, that entire page is getting scrolled up and down. It makes no sense, right? So here I have done that, but here the content is not overfilled, so it is showing all the components properly. So this is it, guys. So I really loved working in this project. I spent my 15 days to this, and it was like a very nice journey. Like I have put all my energy into this project, and I have designed it very well. I have designed the database as well. I changed it in between because I felt like, no, this is not going good. So again, that part was also included within the 15 days itself. And this features strategy was also very nice. It is going to be a big help for the developers who will be working in future on this project. And also, this entire UI is built on top of Tailwind and by the library I have created, which is called as Nature UI. So all these components, you can see this button, this card is there, right? I think all of other this navbar is there, right? So these components, and also not only this, there are other things also. I can show that, but not in this. So these components I have built, and I have included that library into this project. Okay, this is a public library now. You can see on npm makeshift-ui. So I have taken care of everything here, from error handling to features, design development, and also now it is deployed on Apache server at this bpa.nic domain.